Hello, Scorpio Sagittarius Cusp. Welcome to my channel. I am Terica Love. How are you all doing? All right, y'all. So we're going to take a look into your love connection, see what comes up with this tarot, and get you all some advice for the remainder of the month of September. Please know that these will be general messages. If you all are interested in a personal or private read, just go down to that description box below. I do have my email address listed, okay? If you all are active on Facebook, Instagram, and or TikTok, and you would like to go check me out on my other social media platforms, feel free to just go down to the description box below. I do have the links listed. All right. So Scorpio, Sagittarius, Cusp. Let's see what's going on with you all, or what will this connection look like leaving out of the month of September. Scorpio, Sagittarius, Cusp. Scorpio, Sagittarius, Cusp. Alright. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, so it looks like you could have met someone new, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Cusp, or someone is planning to ask you out on a date. Okay, it looks like this person is working really hard here. This person is the maybe the runner in the connection, or someone that is kind of fearing intimacy, but this person would like to give you affection and receive affection here. I do see that you do feel this insane chemistry between you and this person, but it kind of feel like you don't really trust this person, or you feel like you're either being charmed or being used a bit here. Okay, I do feel like right now, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Cusp, you're not really open to giving this person another chance here, even though the feelings that you have for them is very strong here. Okay, you really like, it looks like there is someone, could be new, that you really like, but you're still trying to get maybe some X out of your energy here. Okay, I do feel like right now there are a bit of constraints or restraints here. You do have some blockages. There could be some addictions of some sort here, but ultimately you are looking for some answers here. Know that you are protected, but I do see that you are looking for truth, or you will get the answers that you are searching for here. Okay, this person that you're dealing with, they do have a lot of options here, and I think somebody is coming in and possibly see a one-night stand between you and someone. All right, let's go. So there's a lot of routine activity, repetitive activity here. It's like you're lacking, or this person you're dealing with is lacking some type of skill here. All right, I do see that right now for some of you all, you are kind of focused on yourself, focused on learning here, growing spiritually. Okay, with the number 6, the number 6 is all about returning to the state of harmony and balance. So I kind of feel like that is what you are focused on here. Okay, this could have been, let's see, I do feel a lot of frustration here, or like the passion, or you feeling energized to keep moving forward with someone is kind of dwindling out here, but you're having a hard time coming out of turmoil here. Okay, with the 10 of Pentacles, I do feel like right now you are focused on building upon success here, but you are afraid to ask for some help. Okay, and there is a relationship that is a bit out of balance here, and either you or this person is not really accepting responsibilities for the actions. Okay, your advice is there's going to be a significant life change. It's time for you to spread your wings here. Looks like it's a stalemate situation between you and someone, because we're not making a decision here. Okay, we're unable to make a decision, or it's pretending that there is no issue when we have to face the problem in order to grow and learn from it here. Okay, I do feel like you all need to take this leap of faith, follow your dreams here. Don't be afraid to take action. Don't allow your thoughts to kind of keep you trapped. Okay, don't lack confidence when it comes to you moving forward and coming out of the end of a difficult situation. So you are coming out of an end of a you're coming out of the end of a difficult situation. All right, embrace the change and expect things to get better. For some of you all, you could be really recovering from some type of addiction. So you do want to take it one day at a time, 1 minute at a time. Okay. And got the Hierophant twice. So for some, I do see that you do have some traditional viewpoints and or methods. But seek out mentors or like-minded people. All right. That's what I have for you all. Okay. Hopefully that will be helpful. Thank you all so much for your likes, subscribe, shares, and comments. I greatly appreciate it. I will see you all next time. Bye.